Now I'm going to show you how to sell the Bitcoin for demonstration purposes. What you're going to want to do is click on the Sell Bitcoin button, and at this point you could either sell it and swap it into a different type of crypto if you wanted to, or if you wanted to just sell it and get back into US dollar, you would select cash here on the left. At this point you could swap this between selling in the value of the Bitcoin and the dollar value if you wanted to. So for example, if we're selling off all of the Bitcoin held here, we would get about $14.69. So if we click on the sell button at the bottom, this is going to bring up the confirmation here to sell the Bitcoin that we just purchased. There's no fee associated with this, but we did lose a little bit of money here on the price changing in that short period of time. So we're going to go ahead and click on the confirm button at the bottom, and we have to enter our passcode. And then just like that, we ended up selling the Bitcoin that we just purchased. So if we click on the back button here and refresh, we can see that we now have a small amount of money that was left in Bitcoin that wasn't able to be sold off, and we have $14.69 in the fiat wallet.